In this lesson, we're going to learn how to place an IFX. To begin, let's open your menu. To open your menu or tablet, press either the menu or tablet buttons on your controller, or the escape button on your keyboard. Then go to the IFX tab on the bottom bar of your menu. This opens the public IFX library, which contains 3D objects, audio files, and animated effects that can be used to enhance your lectures, meetings, and presentations. If you want to access your group's IFX, click on the My Group tab and select your group from the drop-down. You can explore the library using the navigation bar at the bottom, or if you're looking for something more specific, you can use the search, filter, or tag features at the top. To use the search button, simply click on the search box and a virtual keyboard will appear. Type in your term and press enter. Another way to filter your search is by using the category or tag menu. This narrows down your search to what type of object you're looking for, such as an audio clip or a video screen. Once you select your IFX, your menu will then close, and the item will be attached to your cursor. Press your right trigger button or your left mouse button to release and place the item in the scene. Once you've added your IFX to the session, you can then edit its size and position however you like. We cover this and how to use the gizmo tool in another tutorial.